I got a rare needle, guys. And it's called squishy. Ata, ano na. Can you see it, guys? It's squishy. So just like to mind this. Just like this go unbox it, but I already unboxed the plastic, guys. I already unboxed this. Oh my gosh, still like a needle. Kapag pinapanood to guys, needle. Kaya bumili na ganito, guys. Oh my gosh. Ayun siya. Oh, this like the rare one. The plastic is on the shit. And the shit. And the shit. On the shit. Dala lang ko ito guys sa school namin dahil pwede ko dala ng laruan. Pero kapag hindi na natin nakita, ibalik na natin ito. Ibalik ko. Ayun guys. Bye-bye.